In the first half of 2025, YIZUMI is firmly committed to its core strategy, advancing business domestically and internationally to serve markets worldwide. The new North China Operations Center and the optimized YIZUMI Wuhan China office enhance regional service capability. Newly opened YIZUMI subsidiary in Turkey launched a newly opened Semarang office, Indonesia, further boost the internationally regional service network. Currently, YIZUMI has showed marked improvement in its global strategy. YIZUMI has established 5 main operation centers with over 96 YFO service nets in China, subsidiaries across 12 countries and regions with over 86 service nets worldwide. Innovation leads development, creating customer value, driving industry upgrading. In the future, YIZUMI will further build on the strategy of intelligent and efficient operations, global operation, and green development to keep providing superior solutions for customers.